So, hi everyone. Yesterday we have seen these operators. These are the arithmetic operators, but today itself we will see all the operators. So, yeah. So today is our second video in the sense, second chapter we can say, or otherwise. Yeah. So for better, for my better advice is that you should learn. I mean, every video with the proper details. So let's go through this. What are the operators in Python? So we have seen that these are the six six operators in Python. So these are the arithmetic operators. So we can see plus, minus, division, multiply, modulus, floor division, exponent. So these are the arithmetic operators. So yeah, I think yesterday we have seen how to do operations with it, but today itself we will see how to do operations with it again. Yeah. So let's dive into it once again. I will erase it because now I'm going to do it again for you. Yes. So just give me 1 second. Let me align it properly. It is here Google. It is Google Documents. That's why it is getting little bit tricky. Yes, there it is. Okay. Okay. So I will insert a table. Actually, I will paste all the data in video's description box. So don't worry. Be assured. So it will be easy for you and me to show you. So there are 7 arithmetic operators. So we will pick 7 rows and 3 columns. That's it. So but yeah, I forgot. Actually we need to fix 8 rows. One for description, I mean one for label heading. That's it. So first will be operator, second will be description, and example of it. Okay. So first operator is plus. So what does it called? So it is called as addition. It is addition operator. So here example will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So second one is minus, that is subtraction. That is 10 minus 8, 2. You can see. So this is division. So 10 by 5 is equal to 2. This is multiplication. Guys, please note down. So I mean, if you are, I mean, in first year, or you are just started your coding career, so you can just note it down. Otherwise yeah, it is very easy to remember. Yeah, everybody knows. I mean, a fifth standard student also knows about it. First standard student also nowadays people learn in KG, UKG there. So that I mean, when I was child, I mean, I did not do not learn from in UKG, LKG. We started our career from ZPPS, Municipal Corporation School. Yeah. Multiplication. So multiplication is there. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Multiplication, again it is modulus. So what is modulus? I'm sorry. So modulus is a remainder after division. So if we divide 13 by 5, then the modulus will be 3. Okay. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and the modulus will be 3. Yes, means modulus symbol here. Yeah, so it is the modulus. It is exponent. Everybody knows the what is exponent actually. So if 4, okay, it's 2, 2, 4, and last one is floor division. So it is 11, 5 is equal to 2. So these are the arithmetic operators. So operators, these are the arithmetic operators. Yeah. So now we will do some programming in it from it. Yes. So first of all, it's very simple. So I will not a lot of take time in it. So we will just directly print 1 plus 1. Here you can see 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1, that is 2, and see you will see here 2x. Just 1 second. So what is happening with it? Just let me check. Yeah, 2. It is 2. Yeah. So 10 minus 8. You can see here 10 minus 8. Yes, it is 2. So division 10 by 5. You can see 10 by 5. It must be 2 as well. Same. So yes, it is coming into float, because when you divide any number with any number, then it will the output will be in float. Yeah. So how to convert float into integer, so we will see in next videos, but stick with me guys. So we will take another example like 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. Yes, see, so division is done. So now multiplication comes to come to one multiplication. 5 into 2, so it must be 10. The answer would be could be 10. That's correct. So what is modulus? So we can see we will divide 13 by, we will find the modulus of 13 by 5. Yes, 13 by 5, 5, and as you can see modulus will be 3. Correct. So when we divide 11 by 5, then the modulus will be 1, because if we divide 11 by 5, then 5 into 2, so the remainder will be 1. So yeah, correct. You guys are very talented. That's why it's very easy to understand you as well. Whatever I teach you, whatever I told you, so whatever I tell you, so I know you guys will catch it very fast. So what is exponent? So oh, oh yeah, sorry. So as you can see, exponent is 4. So if I write here 3, 8 will be there. Yes, correct. So can the square of 3. Yeah. The square of 3 is 9. If I want to find a cube of 3, then cube of 3 will be 27. Yes, correct. So exponent is done. Now we will see floor division. What is floor division? So correct guys. So we will get 11 floor division of 11 and 5. 11, 5. So it must be 2. Yes. So 15. So it must be 3. Correct. If it is 16, it must be 3. See guys, floor division is what? If I divide 16 by 16 with 5, then it will be get 3.2. Okay, but I do not want this, I mean the numbers after decimal point. I just want this number, so we can do floor division. That's it guys. That's very simple as simple. So these are the arithmetic operators. So next part is comparison operators. So what is comparison operators? comparison operators. So there are, there are a lot of comparison operators in Python. There are, I think, eight to ten Python. Eight, yes. There are eight comparison operators in Python. So yeah, we'll take a table for this as well. So insert. Actually, guys, this is the Google Sheets, Google Documents, not Sheets, Google Document, and it is very easy to use and free of cost. So there is no need of any license. You just need to have a Google account for this, and yeah, you can work on it. That's correct. It is very simple as simple. So this first column is for operator, and second is for mini. Guys, I'm sorry. I will bold it out. So I will just first of all I will just list out the operators, and after then I will describe these what are these operators and how we can call it. So this operator is less than. So this operator is less than or equal to or equal to. This operator is greater than. Oh, don't worry, guys. Be assured. I will teach it with you with the help of code. So it will be very easy to understand you. Greater than, it is greater than, it is greater than or equal to. So it is equal to, it is not equal to, it is object identity, and it is negated object identity. So guys, for technical purpose, you need not to, see, most of you guys will see that this is very hard to remember. This is very hard to remember. No, guys, this is not very hard to remember. Just remember this operator. It is not mandatory. See, for exam purpose, you need this meanings as well because you have to explain it in paper. But yeah, but in real life, no, guys, we have to be technically strong. Okay, not theoretically. You do not need to explain these things to people like this. You have to explain code. You have to be strong in writing codes. Logic is very important part in coding. So in next videos you will also learn how to build a logic with proper logic. Don't worry. So now we will go to code. Actually, I am using VS Code. And guys, if you do not know the I mean what are the data types in Python, just see my previous video. I think it is my first video in Python series. Yeah. So correct. So I will use first of all less than operation. If 10 is less than 6, then what is it printing? I think it is printing Boolean value. See, it is false. So yesterday I told you that Boolean value is used to compare two things. Okay, if you are comparing two operators, if you are comparing two anything two. So see, we can see that the Delhi is smaller than Mumbai. If yes, okay, we can clear write there yes. Is Mumbai is the biggest city in India? We can write there yes. That is the that is the Boolean values. So yes, is 10 is less than 6? No, that is why it is printing as false. Is 10 is greater than 6? Yes. So it will what will it print? It will be print true. That's correct. So this operator and this operator, we have done it. If what I am saying, Suppose I will take two variables. A is equal to 10. I will take three variables. B is equal to 3. C is equal to 10. What I am putting print if A is greater than C. These operators we will see in, I mean these operators will very useful in, I mean, if conditions you will see these operators as well. In condition formatting, these operators will be useful. Yeah. So what will it print? It is printing as false because see is A is A is not greater than C. I mean A is equal to C. Okay. So if A is greater than or equal to, so yes, you can check, it will be true. So first of all, it will print as A is greater than C. Is A is greater than C? No. Then it will check or. Or means it is skipping this part. It is skipping this part. So now it is focusing on this. So if A is equal to C, yes, A is equal to C, then it is, that's why it is printing true. You guys, I think you guys know this as well. You guys know this properly. So if A is greater than or equal to C, then it is true. If there are two conditions, or means if there are two conditions, okay, or means if there are two conditions, there are two conditions, then only one condition must be satisfied. Okay, so that's the, I mean, use of uh, is equal to the or operator, or they or is also operator. So it will, we will see it in next part. I mean there are two Boolean operators as well, so we will see it in that part. Yeah. So if the both of the conditions are not meeting each other, okay. So if C is 11, it will say print as false clearly because A is not greater than C, as well as A is not equal to C. That's why it is printing false. Okay. So I will write as 10 here. So it is done. So greater than or equal to, I think greater is, it is greater than, and the same as with less than or equal to as well. So is A is less than C? No, because A is equal to C. See, yeah, it is equal to C, but it is catching this. Okay, I will first of all I will see if A is less than C, then print true. Otherwise false. It is printing false because A is not less than C. Actually, A is equal to C. If A is less than or equal to C, then it will print as true. So you guys actually says how simple Python is. Python is very simple, guys. Very simple means yeah, you will learn it very quickly. So I think it is done. So these four operators are done. So we will see is equal to, if is equal to means it is double equal to. If A is equal to C, it is checking as if A is equal to C. A is equal to C. Yes, A is equal to C. Both are the equal values. So it is will print 2. And if I am writing here C's value is 11. Yes, it is false. Guys, if you are seeing this, then you have to try with I mean you can just take lot of conditions and you can try with you as well. See, I mean I'm not, I mean in this video, in this short video, I cannot, I mean I cannot show you this every possible condition. So you have to check with yourself as well. Okay. So I mean you have to take care of it. Yeah, I will show you definitely. So you just guys comment me your questions as well. I will answer it to you. If so here, what I said here, if A is equal to C, then print true. But A is not equal to C. But yeah, there is also variable for not equal to. So that is this. So it will print true. A is not equal to C. Yes, it is. This condition is getting true because A is not equal to C. Yeah, it is. A is not equal to C. A is equal to 10. C is equal to 11. Both are not equal. Yeah, that is why it is printing as true. So is object identity. So let's say whether it works here or not. False. A is not C. So object identity in the sense what? Suppose my name is Tejas, and here also my name is C's name is Tejas, A's name is Tejas, and we can check it. It is true. Okay, but here false. It is false. We will see the is equal to. Yes, so it must become true. Yes, it is coming true. So the use of is and is not operator is same as is equal to this and is not equal to. But there is also another use of this of these two operators. So I will show it to you in next sessions, in coming sessions. Don't worry, guys. Be assured. So these were the comparison operators. So next part is Boolean operators. So what are the Boolean operators? What? So you guys see the Boolean data type as well. So the Boolean data type. So the values are true and false. So yeah, it is Boolean operators. So you guys must wondering that there are a lot of operators, and all of these operators are going to use in future. Yes. So just 1 second, guys. Let me have some water, please. So there are three Boolean operators. So I will insert table here for Boolean operators. Yeah. So in first column we will print as operator code. Guys, please check spelling as well. Code example, what it determines. So first operator is or, second operator is not, and they are let me check whether I can add another. Yes, here is option not. So what is the code example here? X or Y? X or Y? X and Y. Yeah, and not X. So as we have seen that in this operator A is less than or equal to. Here you can see or. So that is the this operator. Yeah. Yes. And yes. So I will show you either X or Y. So I have shown you the examples of A and B variables. So either A or B is true. Both A and B are true, and X is not full. That is, A is not true. So last operator, I mean, I will show you not in this. This is little bit advanced. So I will show it you in next sessions. Okay, let's see. So guys, in this situation, I'm taking if condition, it has imported or. Actually, do you remember, guys? Just now we have clicked here, or we typed some text here, and it automatically Python automatically imported that or. Yes, from library. Yes, guys. So if if a a is what, I will take it as a number, a 10, 13. So first, if a is equal to 10, or is equal to 10, or a is less than c. If a is equal to c, or a is less than c, print whatever. So whatever we will print whatever. Yes, guys. Okay. So what is it checking? So let's see the output of this. Okay. I will clear the console. See, it has printed whatever. But why it has printed whatever? See, first of all, it is checking this condition, first condition. So we already have seen this operator. If a is equal to c, is a is equal to c, 10, if is 10 is equal to 13, no, then this condition is getting false. So cursor comes to another condition. Is a is greater than less than c? Yes, a is less than c because 10 is less than 13. So what our description says, what it determines, either a or b is true. Among these two conditions, one condition should be true. If these two conditions are false, then it will not print this whatever. So I will print here 17. So now a is not less than c. So it will not print whatever. So it is just getting else. We can here print else. Else print nothing. So it will print nothing because none condition is true. Here condition passed. So the one first condition is true. Second condition, that condition is true. That is why it is checking condition passed. Now we will see AND operator. So in the same example, and it is checking that whether a is equal to c. Yeah, a is equal to c. No, a is not equal to c. And it will go to next, and these both conditions are getting false. Actually, this condition is true, and this condition is, first condition is false, second condition is true. But for this operator, both a and b must be true. If the both conditions are true, then it will print condition passed, or otherwise it will print nothing. So in this condition, it will print nothing. So this is the use of that AND operator. So I will show not operator in, I mean, next sessions in another big examples. So it will be easy to you to understand. Yeah, guys. So these are the variables and operators in this in Python. So yeah, we have seen it. So another thing is to remember, guys. The indentation is very important in Java, in C, C++. There is a curly braces, and we bind our code in curly braces. But in Python, there is no curly brace. So how we bind our code? Okay, if I take print here, then it will show error. So that is the use of indentation. That is the indentation. So in if, that is the if block. That is if block. So in if block, the second in if block, the body of that if block must be a tab ahead of if block. You see, you can see here the print is not here. Print is ahead of if block. Yeah, so that is most important. And the in if condition, this colon must be important. Colon is very important. Oh, these conditions we will see in these texts, we will see in another next video. So the important part was this session means this second lecture was to understand operators. So we have done type of data types. Okay, data types and second operators. So these two sessions are done, and I hope guys you better understand it. And guys, always keep remember help to your friends. Just share that video, subscribe to my video, so I will be very, I mean, motivated to do more things, to teach you more. And guys, in next few days, I'm going to start videos on share market as well, how to invest. But guys, this is your, I mean, if you have just started your college time, I mean, you are just in first year, then I think you should have to study well. Yeah. Study well in the sense, do practical study. Do practical study means do just take projects in first year as well. See, if you do not know coding, it's okay. Nobody knows. I mean, nobody is there on earth who is complete. So you just start taking project. Do always do project instead of instead of doing I mean there's this there's that type of study. I mean that parrot study who says I mean just studying. Studying means in the sense you have to do practically. So guys, you better I think you have understand it. Thank you so much, guys. That was the second video. So please do subscribe it. I'm saying it again. So if you subscribe, I will be get motivated. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm winding up this session now.